Hello everybody. In this video, we'll take a look at the upgraded LandXML export and import feature. LandXML is an open standard widely used in civil engineering for sharing design data between different software platforms. In previous versions, export was limited to alignments and cant. But with the 2026 release, we've added support for two important elements: terrain surfaces and longitudinal profiles. For this tutorial, we're using a railway project created in Ferrovia. The drawing includes a terrain surface, an alignment, calculated cant, and a longitudinal profile, all generated directly within the software. Now, let's move on and see how the export process works. I go to the utility ribbon and launch the LandXML export command. In the dialog that appears, I can see a list of elements available for export. If I have only the alignment selected, the export will include just the alignment and the cant. However, if I also check the profile view option, I can additionally export the longitudinal profile and the surface along that profile. The surface is labeled as 0 as it represents the base terrain in the drawing. In addition to the alignment and profile, the drop-down list also displays all the terrain surfaces present in the drawing. But if you prefer to select elements directly in the drawing, you can do so by clicking the Select and Drawing button. Once all the desired elements are selected, I click OK and choose the location where I want to save the XML file. In the next step, the exported LandXML file can be opened in any software that supports XML import. This includes machine control systems used on construction sites, as well as design software for further project development. One example of software that supports LandXML import is Autodesk Civil 3D. To import the file, I open a new drawing. Then I go to the Insert tab and choose the Import LandXML command. I'll locate the file I previously exported. In the dialog that appears, I select the elements I want to import. After the import, I can open the Toolspace panel to verify that the surface and alignment have been added. The longitudinal profile is also included in the data, but in Civil 3D, it needs to be inserted manually using the Create Surface Profile command. This same approach can be used to import LandXML data into any other software that supports the format. In addition to exporting data for use in other software, the LandXML export feature is also extremely useful for transferring CGS Labs terrain surfaces between drawings. So, I open a new drawing and go to the utility ribbon. After that, I run the LandXML import command, which opens a dialog box where I select the XML file I created earlier. Then select the surface, click OK, and the terrain is instantly added to the new drawing. No manual recreation needed. So, this is just one more example of how the LandXML functionality can make your work easier. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or get in touch with CGS Lab support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.